Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open outliner. So we have this outliner and you can click to hide the outliner. To show again you can click this button. How about I want close this outliner? You can right click and then you can click close tab. Now if you want to open again or show the outliner, you can go to the Windows menu and then click on the outliner so to be shown again in the left of the drawing area. Okay, I will close again. Now to open, you can go to Windows, click on outliner. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open outliner.